Good morning, 6th graders. So yesterday you completed slides 1 and 2 in the explain portion of Earth's internal processes. Today you're going to be doing slides 3 and 4, and they focus on the geosphere. So slide 3 is structure of the geosphere. Slide 4 is origin of the geosphere. Now, there's not a great definition of the geosphere in these two slides, so I'll remind you the geosphere is all of the rocks and minerals on Earth. So that includes the molten rock and heavy metals near the core and the sand on the beaches and everything in between. So the geosphere is a collection of these layers. So make sure as you're moving through the slides, in order to get credit for the activity and in order to get the information that you're going to need, that you're clicking on all the links, really analyzing the information, taking notes. As you can see, each of these is a little link that'll take you to more information about the layers of Earth. And then remember to complete all of the activities. Some are easier than others, okay? The first two here, if you took notes and paid attention to the diagrams, these are going to be easy. This temperature, pressure, and states in the geosphere is going to be a little bit trickier. So you have to read graphs and look at diagrams and think about how in the layers of the geosphere, the ones that are closer to the core have more pressure on top, they're denser. They're going to be more hot. And then the layers closer to the surface have less pressure, they're less dense, and so you have to think about temperature in terms of that. So all we want you to do is take detailed notes and give your best. We're not necessarily worried about you getting every single answer correct. Remember, these standards are grades 6 through 8, so they're very high level. So working through the entire unit, a lot of the things that you're introduced to are going to be very high level. Just do your best. That's all we ask of you. Okay. Slide 4, you have more information and then a simulation to watch. And it stops as you go through the simulation and you can take notes. And then there's an activity based on the information in that simulation and on that slide. So make sure you're taking your time to do your best here. But again, there are some questions that are going to be a lot harder than others. Don't stress. Don't take hours to finish these activities, okay? Just work through it the best of your ability. Just slides 3 and 4, and good luck.